They split.
You are a big cry,
Hannah, you better be nice.
I'm not the one.
You're not. You're a big boy.
Okay.
Show me how you ride that bike.
First you have the word startling. Okay?
Huh?
Haze!
Hazy, get on your bike and let me see you ride it.
So
Honk your horn.
go ride.
Get off the bike.
Looks like I just got on though, Dad.
Okay, so first you have startling. Startling, that's a word.
Mm-hmm.
Then you take away the L and you get starring. Then you take away the T and you get starting, and then you take away the T and you get starring. So that's another word. And then you take away the A and you get string. Then you take away the R and you get sting.